I just walked over here to this new little private pond that I found. That I just walked over to. I was just looking through the woods and I saw this other little private pond. And I'm gonna see if I can catch a fish over here. It looks really good too. It got weeds and everything. Let's see if I can catch a fish. I don't care how big it is, as long as I catch one. Fish, finally. It's a nice little old bass. Look at this. This is a nice one. This is a nice little bass. You know? Nice little bass. At least you're catching something. Them little ones, they could fight pretty good. Caught them on this bait right here. It's really good. Yeah. Really nice fish. Yeah. So, look at its tongue. It's a nice fish. So, just look how fat he is for a little fish. Man. Well, it's a nice fish, and we're gonna put it back and see if we can get some more. I'm gonna get the release. Well, this is Jack Branson. See you next time.